It's gonna be very quick, very delicious, and very easy to make. All we need is 2 ingredients. So what we have is wonton skin. That's what it looks like. So you can get these in any Asian grocery store. I've seen it in basically every type of grocery store. So these should be very easy to get. Wonton skin. And we have shrimp paste. So you don't have to use shrimp paste. I got these at a supermarket, but literally you can use minced meat. You can use crab meat if you have. It could be really just be anything. We had these left over. Not gonna lie, we had these left over from our hot pot. So we don't want to go let it go to waste. So we're gonna make deep fried wonton with this today. So folding it, there's many different ways, but what I like to do is just grab a little bit of paste. Super easy, super quick. Put them in the middle and just kind of fold them like this. That's all you need to do. So these make for like a very delicious like afternoon snack for your kids, or just for yourself, or when you have a big party. These are super cheap, super easy to make as well. Kind of just gently press it on the sides. You don't actually need any other binding. You don't need any eggs or water either, because this paste itself becomes the binding, so it's already enough. Okay, we're just gonna make a couple here, just to show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna make 5. Once these go, so we're gonna deep fry them, right? Once these go in the oil, these take a matter of seconds to cook and be ready. So you want to prepare everything else you need, like a plate. I've lined it with some paper towels, so it kind of drains the excess oil. So it doesn't become too greasy. So these are just little pockets, right? So I have the oil kind of ready to go. It's a little bit too hot. These go cook very quickly. So once you go in, you'll almost immediately want to flip them over, or else they will burn. I just left it off the heat a little bit because it's getting too hot. Alright, here we go. I'm going to make one at a time. So once I go in, you see that, right, it already flips over. And the skin's already crispy, I can tell from the texture of it. Okay, done. I'm going to put the rest of it in together. Now, put these 4. Once it's golden brown like this, it's done. So at a restaurant, these would be served with a sweet and sour sauce. But we don't have that today, so what we're going to do is going to season it with a little bit of salt. Okay. And pretty much it's done. So here's what it looks like. You can hear super crispy. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Wonton, deep fried wontons. Delicious.